Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a versatile kitchen staple that has gained immense popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits. Made from fermented apple juice, ACV has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. Consuming a small amount of apple cider vinegar every day can have a positive impact on your overall health. In this video, we will explore the numerous health benefits of incorporating ACV into your daily routine. 1. Weight management. One of the most well-known health benefits of apple cider vinegar is its potential to aid in weight management. ACV may help control appetite and reduce food cravings, leading to fewer calorie intake. Additionally, it has been suggested that ACV can improve metabolism and promote fat loss. Studies have shown that acetic acid, a key component of ACV, may help with weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing the storage of fat. 2. Improved digestion. Apple cider vinegar can also contribute to better digestion. It can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and promote the breakdown of carbohydrates, making it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. ACV's acidity may also help balance stomach pH levels, which can alleviate symptoms of indigestion and acid reflux for some individuals. 3. Blood sugar control. Another significant benefit of ACV is its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that ACV can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar spikes after meals, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. However, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using ACV as a diabetes treatment, as it may interact with medications. 4. Heart health. Apple cider vinegar may contribute to heart health in several ways. It can help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and promote overall cardiovascular wellness. The presence of antioxidants in ACV can also protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to heart disease. 5. Detoxification. ACV is often touted for its detoxifying properties. It can assist the body in eliminating toxins and waste products, primarily due to its impact on liver function. The acetic acid in ACV may enhance detoxification processes in the liver, helping it break down harmful substances more efficiently. 6. Immune system support. The immune-boosting potential of ACV is also worth mentioning. It contains vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and potassium, which can strengthen the immune system. Additionally, ACV's natural antibacterial and antiviral properties may help the body fend off infections. 7. Skin health. ACV can be a valuable addition to your skincare routine. When diluted with water and applied topically, it can help balance the skin's pH, reduce acne, and soothe skin irritations. The antibacterial properties of ACV may also help combat certain skin conditions. 8. Hair health. If you're looking to improve the condition of your hair, consider using ACV as a hair rinse. It can help remove product buildup, balance the scalp's pH, and promote shiny, healthy-looking hair. How to incorporate ACV into your daily routine. To reap the health benefits of apple cider vinegar, it's important to use it in moderation and in a way that suits your preferences. 1. Dilute it. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with 8 ounces of water. Drinking it straight can be harsh on your teeth and esophagus due to its acidity. 2. Start slow. If you're new to ACV, begin with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage as your body becomes accustomed to it. 3. Add flavor. You can enhance the taste by adding honey, lemon juice, or a pinch of cinnamon to your ACV concoction. 4. Use it in recipes. ACV can be incorporated into salad dressings, marinades, and various dishes to add flavor and health benefits. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to enhance your overall health. While it offers numerous potential benefits, it's important to remember that individual responses may vary. Before making ACV a regular part of your diet, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health concerns or are taking medications. When used wisely, apple cider vinegar can be a valuable addition to your journey toward better health and well-being.